So today, in today's session in trigonometry, we'll understand the concept of complementary angle. So like you remember, I told you once the quadrant system, what we use in trigonometry also. So that more advanced we'll do in future, like 0 to 90 degree, then 90 to 180 degree, then 180 to 270 degree, 270 to 360 degree. Generally, when we talk about complementary angle conversions, we use this system. All the angles which are there between 0 to 90 degree. In that case, whenever we discuss the determining the complementary angle, you can remember sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that you can remember. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sine theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So this complementary angles we can remember, like if I ask you sine 12 degree, so sine 12 degree is as good as cos 88 degree, cos 78 degree. So you can understand this. So the sum, this both mean same thing only. You remember, no, like when I told you the values, sine 0 degree is 0. Remember, no, sine theta value, like 0 degree was 0, 30 degree was 1 by 2, then
Yes, sir.
5 degree was 1 by root 2, then 60 degree was root,
Root 3 by 2.
and 90 degree was
1.
1. So 90 degree was 1. So similarly, when I talk about cos theta, so in cos theta, I told you just to write the reverse. In cos theta, just write the reverse. So in cos theta, just write the reverse. So because sine 90 minus theta is cos theta.
So
So
1.
cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So complementary angle of sine is cos, cos is sine, tan is cot, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Similarly, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So you can remember this. Okay, so while we using this complementary angles and all, we can solve.
So 1 second, can you
Huh,
go up again?
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this was like here I'm only focusing on all the angle conversion between 0 to 90 degree. Probably in future we'll discuss angle maybe between 90 to 180, then 180 to 270, 270 to 360. 0 means 360. For example, I'm just showing you, suppose sine 120 degree. So sine 120 degree, I can write sine 90 plus 30 degree. So sine 90 plus 30
So
degree.
1 plus 1 by 2.
So साइन 90 so नहीं ये क्या होता है धोनी यहाँ पे दिस बिकम लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 1 प्लस 1 बाई 2 लॉजिक विल नॉट वर्क बिकॉज साइन ए प्लस बी हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. साइन ए प्लस बी का फॉर्मूला होता है साइन ए कॉस बी प्लस कॉस ए साइन बी. तो साइन ए कॉस बी साइन 90 मतलब 1, कॉस 30 मतलब रूट 3 बाई 2, then cos 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 90 matlab 0, cos 90 means 0. So this will be 0 into any number is 0 only, so this would be root 3 by 2. So you will get root 3 by 2. So yahan pe this what you need to understand here, that sine 120 degree is sine 90 plus 30 degree. So when sine 90 plus 30 degree, this is nothing but this is equal to cos 30 degree, which is equal to root 3 by 2. So we'll talk about this conversion कि जब भी 90 90 के टर्म में 90 के टर्म में जब भी कन्वर्शन होता है, साइन कॉस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, कॉस साइन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, टेन कॉट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, कॉट टेन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, कोसेक सेक में हो जाएगा, सेक कोसेक में हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पे हम लोग ये यूज करेंगे जहाँ पे इन फ्यूचर विल डिस्कस कि 90 से 180 के बीच में कोई भी एंगल हो, वहां पे साइन और कोसेक सिर्फ पॉजिटिव रहेगा, बाकी सब नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। यहीं पे अगर मैं आपसे कॉस 120 डिग्री पूछा होता तो आपका आंसर होता माइनस साइन 30 डिग्री, तो इसका आंसर होता -1/2। तो यहाँ पे हम पढ़ेंगे कोई भी एंगल 180 से 270 के बीच में रहेगा, तो वहां पे सिर्फ 10 और कॉट थीटा पॉजिटिव होगा, बाकी सब नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट होंगे, नेगेटिव साइन लग जाएगा। और 270 से 360 होता तो हर एंगल, एवरी एंगल विल बी एक्सेप्ट cos theta and sec theta, rest all angle will be negative. So we'll discuss about them in future. So abhi we are only focusing on first quadrant. We are only focusing on first quadrant. First quadrant में all conversions are in with positive sign. So sign nowhere gonna change. So यहाँ पे complementary angles के हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. We're discussing about complementary angle जहाँ पे sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta मतलब your respective angle is between 0 to 90 degree. So if your angle is between 0 to 90 degree means you are in first quadrant. Because if you are in first quadrant, then sine will convert into cos, or cos into sine, 10 into cot, or cot into 10, or cosec into sec, or sec into cosec. There the sign will remain positive only. So sign will remain, whatever the sign is there, it will remain the positive only. The sign will not get changed. We will use that here for the conversion part. So now, so like यहाँ पे जैसे if you see this question, sign, ये अगर मुझे ये question solve करना, if I want to solve this question, so how will I solve this question? You want to try this? So,
Sir, in this I have to use the complementary angle.
correct. You have to use complementary angle concept. Now you can see here, like here, sine 20.
Okay, sir, I'll try this.
Yeah.
So can you do it?
So if you see this, so we know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we can say that sine 29 degree will be equal to cos.
Is a cos 61 degree.
So sine square 29 degree, sine square 29 degree will be equal to cos square 61 degree. So I can write this as cos square 61 degree plus sine square 61 degree divide by this. I can write as sine square 61 degree plus cos square 61 degree. I hope you understand sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So they are in this form, sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine 90 minus theta means cos theta. So then this is sine theta divided by what is tan theta? Sine theta by cos theta plus cos 90 minus theta. If I say cos 90 minus theta, so cos 90 minus theta means sine theta. Sine theta into cos theta divided by cot theta means cos theta by sine theta. So now I know this is 1 sine square theta plus cos square
Yes,
theta.
sir.
This is also 1. So 1 by
Yes, sir.
plus sine get cancelled. This is cos square theta.
Cos
This
plus.
cos cancel. This is sine square theta.
Yes, sir.
This is also 1. 1 plus 1, 2.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now tell me the answer for this question. Suppose if I ask you if sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 2 sine 90 minus theta, okay, then find cot theta.
Or root 2 minus 1.
Root 2 minus root 2. 1 by root 2 minus 1. 1 by root 2 minus 1. Or root 2 plus 1. This is sine theta plus cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta, I can write cos theta. So I can write sine theta is equal to root 2. Cos theta I can take common. Cos theta I can take common. So cos theta, if I take common, you'll get root 2 minus 1. So I can say tan theta. So I can say tan theta. So tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. So I want cot theta. So cot theta is inverse of tan theta, means 1 by root 2 minus 1. If I want, I can rationalize this. If I rationalize this, I will get root 2. Correct na Dhoni?
1 second, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Solve this exercise.
Yes.
So all this we know the answer will be 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Sine 16 degrees, cos 74 degree, cos 25 degrees, sine 65 degree, tan 38, cot 52, sac 62, cosec 28. This answer. This will be equal to 1. This is sine square 67 degree plus cos square 23 degree. Cos square 23 degree is nothing but, sorry, sine square 23 degree is nothing but, sine square 23 degree is nothing but cos square 67 degree. Are you understanding, Dhoni?
Yes, sir.
This will be again equal to 1 only. Tell me the answer for this. This Dhwani, this and this will be one only. This means same thing only. Sine 49 degrees, cos 41 degree only.
Yes, sir.
So this is one only Dhwani. So 1 square is 1. This is again 1 only Dhwani. So the answer will be 2.
2. Okay, sir.
You can understand this is cos square 70 would be nothing but sine square 20. This is cos square 20.
Yes, sir.
Should be sine square 20. This will be
So 1.
This is sine square 59 degree plus cos square 59 degree. This will be
Yes, sir. 1.
1 to 1.
Yes, sir. 0. Mm, yes, sir. God square. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cosec 40. Sec 50.
One minute, this is mistake. This is cosec means
Cosec.
cosec. Cosec 40 na.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
I
sir.
can write cosec 40 means 1 by sine 40. Cosec is half. Cosec is inverse of sine. This
Yeah.
is 40. Sec is this is sec 40. This will be 1 by cos 40. This will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. क्लियर है दोनों?
Yes, sir.
ये 9th वाला ये तो 1 हो जाएगा, ये भी 1 हो जाएगा, तो ये 1 by 1 1.
1. Yes, sir.
अब ये साइन स्क्वायर 64 लिखा है.
Sir, it will become.
अब देखो ध्वनि,
Five.
तो ये साइन 26 डिग्री इज नथिंग बट कॉस 64 डिग्री.
Yes, sir.
अब ये देखो ध्वनि 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर 64 डिग्री प्लस अब ये cos 64 हो जाएगा cos स्क्वायर 64। आप समझ पा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
26 is cos 64, करेक्ट ध्वनि?
Yes, sir.
अब cos 64 into cos 64 हो जाएगा cos स्क्वायर 64, cos स्क्वायर 64 प्लस sin स्क्वायर 64 प्लस 1, तो ये हो जाएगा 2, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा तो 1 होता है, 1 प्लस 1 2। अब ये देखो ध्वनि, 1035 को मैं cot 55 भी ले सकता हूँ,
Yes, sir.
और अब cot 55 है इंटू 1055 कितना होगा? cot 55 इंटू
So 1.
1 होगा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So we understand that part. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, तो ये और ये तो 1 हो जाएगा 1, ये और ये 1 हो जाएगा,
Yes, sir.
और ये 1045 डिग्री तो ऑलरेडी 1 होता है, 1 इंटू एवरीथिंग।
Yes, sir.
ये क्या होगा? 1 होगा,
1. Yes, sir.
साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, ऐसा आप समझ लो, ऐसा याद भी कर लो, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर 90 माइनस थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, दैट आल्सो यू कैन रिमेंबर।
Okay, sir.
तो मतलब वही चीज हो गया, साइन 90 माइनस थीटा तो कॉस थीटा ही होगा, so that way also
Yes, sir.
that would be 1, so this is 1, this would be, this is 1 1 plus, अच्छा cos 75 डिग्री मतलब sin 15,
Sine 50. Yes, sir.
तो ये हो जाएगा sin स्क्वायर 15 डिग्री प्लस sin 75 डिग्री मतलब cos 15 डिग्री,
Cos 15 degree. Yes, sir.
so this would be cos स्क्वायर 15 डिग्री, cos in
Yes, sir. A 1.
1। अब ये हो जाएगा sin 90 माइनस थीटा मतलब cos थीटा,
Cos theta. Yes, sir.
cos theta into cos theta, cos square,
Cos square theta.
cos 90 minus theta मतलब sin theta
Sine square theta.
into sin theta sin square theta, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 2, 1 प्लस न्यूमरेटर भी 1 होगा, डिनोमिनेटर भी 1 होगा, तो 1 प्लस 1 आंसर 2 हो जाएगा।
2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Phase of current term T ratio 9.0 to 75 degree. Cosec 69 डिग्री क्या होगा? Sec
Sag 21. Yes, sir.
so sec 21 और cot क्या होगा? cot ये भी लिख सकता हूँ मैं, ये होगा 1021 डिग्री, क्या करूँ मैं, क्या बोला है? अच्छा ये बोल रहा है एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग इन टर्म ऑफ टी रेशियो ऑफ एंगल लाइन बिटवीन 0 to 45 डिग्री की, लिखना है। यही हो जाएगा। साइन 85 डिग्री क्या होगा? कॉस 5 डिग्री।
cos 5 degree, yes sir.
और
And this
कोसेक क्या
will
हो
be
जाएगा?
sat
सेक 5 डिग्री।
5 degree.
वो उसी के टर्म में लिखना।
So one.
जस्ट चेक द आंसर फ्रॉम बुक। दिस इज व्हाट थर्ड वन। थर्ड वन यस, सेक 21 प्लस 10 21 करेक्ट। कॉस 5 प्लस 5 ठीक है। ये देखो फोर्थ वाला।
Yes sir.
अंडरस्टूड ना धोनी?
So can you do it again?
Okay, so this is 1090 minus a means cot a.
Yes sir.
Cosec by cosec a. Now what is cot a? Cot a is cos a by sin a. And what is cosec a? 1 by sin a. So sin a get cancelled. You left with
Cos. Okay, yes sir.
so sin 90 minus theta is cos theta.
Cos theta, yes sir.
Cos theta by cos theta 1.
1, yes sir. And
Cos
sin theta
90
by sin
minus
theta,
theta,
1.
yeah,
Yes
1.
sir, 2.
1 plus 1, 2.
2.
This is sin 90 minus theta means cos.
Which is cos theta, sir.
This is sin theta.
Cos
So this is
sin.
sin
So
theta
0,
cos theta minus cos theta sin theta. That
sin theta 0. So set, this will become cos sec into sec is equal to sec square cos.
this is cosec theta and this is sec theta. Now this now I want in the term of cot theta. Cot theta means cos by sine. Sec will remain. So cosec is 1 by sine theta. Okay,
Yes, sir.
by sine theta into sec theta. So this is sec theta by sine theta. I want sec square theta. So what I want, I have to multiply sec theta with all. If I multiply sec theta with numerator and denominator. Suppose if I multiply sec theta with numerator and denominator, so I'll get sec square theta. Now, what is sec theta? 1 by cos theta. Sine by cos means 10. Can you understand this, Zuni? Sec theta,
Yes, sir.
sine by, sec is 1 by cos. So sine by cos means 10 theta. So this 1 by 10 theta is cot theta. So cot theta into sec square theta. Cot theta into sec square theta. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Can you understand this? So sine 90 minus theta means cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta means sine theta. So sine
Yes, sir.
cos theta plus cos theta by sine theta. That is nothing but sine square theta
Yes, sir.
theta by sine theta cos theta. Now we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 by sine theta cos theta. It means cosec theta sec theta. 1 by sine
Yes, sir.
sec theta, 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So cosec theta, I can write sec 90 minus theta. Sec theta, I can write cosec 90 minus theta.
Okay, sir.
Can you understand this? Cos theta is sine 90 minus theta.
Yes, sir.
So cos theta, suppose this 81 plus theta is alpha, suppose. So cos alpha is sine 90 minus alpha. So this
Yes, sir.
sine 90 minus 81 minus theta. So this is sine 9 minus theta. Clear, Nadoni? You understand it?
Yes, sir.
So this is find theta if sine theta plus 36 degree. Theta plus 36 degree. What is sine theta plus 36 degree? I can write cos 90 minus bracket में theta plus 36 degree. Write cos 90 minus theta minus 36 degree. Cos 64 minus theta. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
So cos 64 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So means 64 minus theta is equal to theta. If 2 theta is equal to 64 means theta is equal to 32 degree.
Yes, sir.
Try the second one. Oh, this is 54, not 64. This is 54, 54, 54, 54. This is 27. Same way the other questions will do, like the way the first one is done. So sine 5 theta is equal to cos 90 minus 5 theta. I hope you understanding sine 5 theta. When we say sine 5 theta, so sine 5 theta, sine 5 theta means sine 5 theta means cos 90 minus 5 theta. So means cos 90 minus 5 theta is equal to cos 4 theta. I hope you're understanding. It means 90 minus 5 theta is equal to 4 theta. Means 9 theta is equal to 90. And theta is equal to 10. Same logic. Third one also same way. Tell me the answer, third one. Do the same way.
Sir, 18.
Correct. Sine 3a is equal to cos 90 minus 3a. So cos 90 minus 3a is equal to cos 2a.
So 9. Yes, sir.
90a
It'll be 90 by 5.
5a is equal to 90. So a is equal
A is equal to 90 by 5.
yeah, that is equal to 18 degree.
Yes, sir.
And this question number 1. So a is
So the first one correct. The
first
one's
one
correct.
correct. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, correct. Ten 30 plus 1060 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. It would be also correct only.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
1030. This is root 3 plus 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Yes, sir.
Get that one. The answer is option C, both 1 and 2.
1 and 2. So 1.
Hmm. This and this.
So it'll become cot 15 tan 15, cot 20 tan 20, 1
1,
into 1, 1.
1 into. So sine 3a means
So 23.
23. Correct. This is cos 90 minus,
So 0.
the answer is not defined.
Okay.
90 minus x plus 2y is equal to 4y minus x. They will be same. So minus x is same.
Infinite. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I can say 2y is equal to 90. So 2y is equal to 90. So cot 90 degrees. Cot 90 degrees undefined. Cot 90 means cos 90 by sin 90. Cot 90, no? Cot 90 means, why is under 1 minute? Huh? Cot 90 means cos 90 by sin 90. Cos 90 is 0, na? Cos 90 0 1, cos 90 1 0. That is 0. Sin 90 is 1. So this should be 0, not undefined. Cot 90 is 0. 1 beta, it's cot 90 is 0. No?
Yes, sir. That's what even I said.
So this should be 0, not undefined. This will be 0. When you multiply all the number, you have cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So any number
Yes, sir.
0 will be 0. This is 90 minus a by 2. You know that root 3, 10 root 3 is equal to 60 degrees. So the a by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. Means a is equal to 60 degrees. A 60. What is cos 60? 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
So this question, triangle ABC, the angle ABC, ACB is 30. This will be 60. AB is 5. If AB is 5, then AC will be 10. Yesterday we did this. This would be 5 root 3. Hope you remember 30, 60, 90. So if you see this, so this is 10 angle A, this is 10 angle B. What is 10 angle A? 10 angle A means U by V, perpendicular base. What is 10 angle B? B means V by U. That will be U square plus V square by UV. You know that U square plus V square will be W square. Pythagoras theorem. You can write W square by UV. Clear only?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Dhoni?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you explain this one again?
So if you see the Dhoni, there, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Now if you see this is given to you. This is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So I can find the base. How will I find the base? Pythagoras theorem, you know that root of x minus 1 whole square plus base ka square is equal to hypotenuse ka square. So this is x minus 1 plus base ka square is equal to 2x, means hypotenuse ka square. I can write base ka square is equal to 2x minus x plus 1. Base ka square is equal to x plus 1. So base ka square is x plus 1. I can find base. Base is equal to under root of x plus 1. Once I get the base under root of x plus 1, I can write 10a. 10a means perpendicular by base. Under root x minus 1 by under root x plus 1. Clear, Dhoni?
Yes, sir.
So sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole cube, cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree means 1060 degree means root 3. minus 2 cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. This is root 2
root 2
square plus 3 cos 60 degree 1 by 2.
1 by 2. So it will
45
be
degree
3
1.
by 2
Yeah, this and
minus 3.
10 60 degree 3 square.
3.
This is
So 9 by 8 minus 4 plus 3 by 2 minus
नहीं
3.
root 3 का cube will be 3 root 3.
3. Oh, yes, sir.
3 root 3 by 8 into root 3 minus 2 2s are 4. This is 2 na. This is 2. 2 2s are 4. This is 3 by 2. This is minus 3. Correct na? So this is 3 3s are 9. 9 by 8 minus this is 4 na, minus 4 plus this is 1 by 2 minus 3. 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 minus 3 means minus 1.5. No? Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. If I solve it, take LCM, 9 minus 32 minus 12. Correct na? So 9 minus 32 minus 12. So 32 2 ये कितना हो जाएगा 44. 44 minus 35 by 8. Clear, Dhoni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you finished it 8, 9, 10.
8. Yes, sir.
I'll just come in 5 minutes. This question.
Yes, sir.
Eighth one, what answer you got?
So 2:1.
2:1, correct. Eighth का second.
Sir,
See,
so x plus y is equal
is
to
equal to
pi
90
2.
degree. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Ninth one.
So ninth one, 0.
Ninth का 1. The answer is B. Yeah, 0. Okay. Do you understand these angles and all? Pi means 180 degree.
Sir, I didn't know how to do this, so I didn't do it.
So 1 minute. So this same thing. Wait, I'll take the screenshot. So I just create screen. Okay, now see this. Now remember this part that pi, we call pi as 180 degree. We'll call pi as 180 degree. So pi by 8 means 2 then 25 degree. Then pi by 4 means pi by 4. This is 1 not 20. No, 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 no. Pi by 4 means half of 90, 22.5. Pi by 4 means 90. Okay. Pi by 3 means 60. Pi by 3 means 60. Then pi by 8 again, that is 22.5. Pi means 180 degree. So now this is nothing, this is cos square what, half of 90 na? Half of 90 is 45 na? 1 minute, sorry. So pi by 4, so pi by 8, if you do 180 divide by 8, 8 twos are 16, then you have 20, 20 means twos are, yeah, so twos are 40, 22.5 only. Yeah, pi by 2 is 90, pi by 4 is 45 degree, pi by 4 is 45 degree. Yeah, yeah. So cos square, this is cos square 22.5 degree plus 4 cos square 45 degree minus sec 60 degree plus 5 10 square 60 degree plus sine square 22.5 degree. One minute. How will you solve this? Now you see this one. Sine square 22.5, cos square 22.5 will be 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Correct, Dhwani?
Yes, sir.
Then plus 4. What is cos 45 degree? 1 by root 2 whole square minus sec 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So sec 60 would be 2 plus 5. 1060 is root 3 square. So this is 1 plus 4 by 2 minus 2 plus 5 into 3. 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 15. This is 16. Clear, Dhoni?
Yes, sir.
So now see this question, 10th one. In the figure not drawn up to the scale, a rocket is fired vertically upward from the launching pad. It rises 20 kilometer vertically up. Okay. and then travel 80 kilometer at 30 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Then PA represent the first state of journey. PA represent an AB second. Okay, and C is the point vertically below B. Okay, so calculate the height of rocket when it is point B. When it is here, what is the height? Means they're asking this. So this. So they want this. This is hypotenuse. They want base. So I'll use cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is based by hypotenuse. Cos 30 degree means sine 60, मतलब root 3 by 2. And height is this is 80. So the base will be equal to 40 root 3. So this value will be 40 root 3. This value will be 40 root 3. What is the height of rocket? The height of rocket is basically 20 plus 40 root 3. I can take common 20. 1 plus 2 root 3. The horizontal distance of the point C, they want this. So means they want this. They want horizontal distance. Means they want horizontal distance means they want perpendicular. For perpendicular, I need sine theta. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Perpendicular we want and hypotenuse is 80. So this will be 40 kilometer. Clear, Dhoni?
Yes, sir.
So we ended the trigonometry. So this much for today. I will continue tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.